In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Metamask account. To get started, open Metamask on the device you normally use. This could be the Metamask browser extension on your computer or the Metamask mobile app on your phone. Before you continue, make sure you're using the official Metamask app or extension, since wallet security is extremely important and fake versions can put your funds at risk. Once Metamask opens, look for the option that says Get Started. If this is a new installation and you already have a wallet, choose the option for an existing wallet. This is the right choice when you're not creating a brand new wallet, but instead trying to access one you already set up before. Next, choose the login method that matches how your wallet was originally created. If your MetaMask wallet was set up using Google, Apple, or Telegram, select the same sign-in option and continue with that linked account. It's important to use the exact method tied to your wallet, otherwise you may not be able to access the correct account. If your wallet was created using a secret recovery phrase, choose the option to restore or import an existing wallet, then carefully enter your recovery phrase exactly as it was originally provided. Make sure you type it correctly and in the right order. Also, never share that phrase with anyone, and don't enter it on unofficial websites or apps. After that, enter your MetaMask password. This is the password you created for that wallet on the device you're using. If you signed in through Google, Apple, or Telegram, MetaMask may still require your MetaMask password in addition to the linked account login. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered accurately. Now complete the rest of the login or setup process by following any prompts that appear on screen. Depending on your setup, MetaMask may take a few moments to authenticate and load your wallet. Once that process is finished, your wallet dashboard should appear. Finally, check that you've logged into the correct wallet. Verify that the wallet address shown matches the one you expect. You should also confirm that the right accounts are listed and that your tokens and balances are visible. This quick review helps you make sure everything loaded properly before you start sending, receiving, or managing crypto. And that's how to log into your MetaMask account safely and correctly.